Assalamualaikum everyone. We are from Group 5 who would like to present our second PBL that is about sequence diagram, communication diagram and class diagram. Let me introduce my group member name. Firstly, my name is Nur Syahira binti Muhammad. My matric number is 277077. Secondly is Nur Muhammad Afif bin Azlan. The number matric is 279092. And the thirdly is Nur Hazwani binti Zainal, 279080. And the lastly is Nur Shazwani Zahira binti Zafri. The number matric is 277284.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Muhammad Afif bin Azlan. My matric number is 279092. I will present about my part, which is sequence diagram, and I will take one example, which is search destination. There are 4 types of object, which is tourist, search panel, search manager and tourist info. This sequence diagram is for search destination, which is have 9 message and 1 exceptional. First and foremost, for this message is choose the destination that will do by the tourist to get the destination. And for this message, it will pop out a not error message if the tourist enter the wrong destination. And for the next is search panel, is the boundary class, and it will display a map tracking when the tourist choose their destination. And this second message is a reflexive message because this message don't have another class and it happen itself. And for the third, the tourist will click their destination, and for the fourth, the system will display the list of the tourist attraction. And this message is the same like the message in the number 2, which is reflexive message. And after that, the tourist can click to confirm the destination as the message number 5. And next, the form of search message will be the 6th message will confirm the destination to be the search manager, because search manager is the place to process the information. Next, after confirm the destination, the information that processed just now will be sent to the tourist info, which is as entity, and to save the data. After that, after the search destination complete, it will display to the search panel as a written message and as the message for number 8. And last but not least, they have one exceptional message, which is number 9, and it called error message. It will happen when tourists enter the wrong destination, and this message for the number 9 is make a reflexive message. That's all for example for sequence diagram, which is for search destination. That's all for me. Thank you.
So this is our communication diagram. The communication diagram is hold the same information as sequence diagram that show link between objects that participate in the collaboration. For your information, the sequence diagram and communication diagram both show interaction, but sequence diagram focus on the time ordering of the message being passed, and the communication diagram emphasizes the flow of message through a set of objects. As we know, the object of this diagram is stories, search panel, search manager and tourist info that is participate in a sequence by sending and or receiving message. We can lay out the collaboration diagram by placing object and actor based on the association. We add message to the association between the object that directly is shown using an arrowhead to convey information from one object to another. Sequence is shown by a sequence number. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi madam and friends. My name is Nahazani binti Zainal. My matric number is 27980. Next, I and Sazwani Zahira will explain about the class diagram for PBL 2 Langkawi travel system. As we know, class diagram is static model that show the classes and the relationship among classes in this system. They are many elements of class diagram in this system. The elements for this system are class, attribute, operations, row types, relationship, association, aggregation, composition, and generalization. This is class diagram for my group PBL2 Langkawi Travel System. There are many elements in this class diagram, for example class, attribute, operation, relationship, and others. First, for boundary class is model communication between the system and actor or other system. There are 6 boundary class diagram for this part, which is sign up panel, login panel, manage system, search panel, booking panel, and payment panel. For sign up panel has 2 operations, which is display the information and send successfully message, while for login panel have 3 operations, which is display login page, display page new password, and display main page. For managed system, we have 2 operations just as display detail hotel and display new detail. For the search panel, we have 3 operations just as display the destination, display map tracking, and display the list of the tourist attractions. There are 2 operations for booking panel class, which is display the detailed booking. Last but not least, there are 2 operations for payment panel class, which is display page payment method and display the receipt. That's all from me. I will pass this presentation to my friend to continue this part. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum to Madam and my friends. My name is Nur Shazwani Zahira binti Zafri. My metric number is 277284. Now, I will continue to explain about control class and entity class in class diagram, and then about conclusions. Control class is coordinate or control other object. There are 6 control class diagram for this part, which is sign up manager, login manager, manager, search manager, booking manager, and payment manager. For sign up manager, operation must submit details, while for login manager also have submit the option. The manager operation must send add new details. Search manager operation must confirm the destination, while for the booking manager must confirm the booking, and last for the payment manager must confirm the payment. Entity class is represent information and behavior in the application domain. There are 3 entity class for this system, which is travel agent info, tourist info, and hotel. For travel agent info has 5 attributes, which is username, password, name, no IC, and no telephone. There are 2 operations for travel agent info, which is save details and save new password. For tourist info has 8 attributes, which is username, password, name, no IC, no telephone, address, detail booking, and detail payment. There are 5 operations for in tourist info, which is save detail, save new password, save destination, save booking, and save payment. Lastly, for hotel has 1 operation is save new details. In conclusion, Langkawi Travel System has an organized and systematic management system. This can provide convenience and save time for all parties, which is travel agent, tourist, and manager system. As shown in the sequence diagram, communication diagram, and class diagram on how are the flows of all the basic, alternative, and exceptional flows. I think that's all for my group presentation. Thank you.